Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
Deloitte has resigned as auditor of minor Polymetal, which could lead to the Anglo-Russian group's expulsion from the London Stock Exchange if it cannot find a new firm to check its accounts. The dollar extended a squeeze higher, reaching a near two-year peak against a basket of peers and a one-month high versus the euro, supported by the prospect of a more aggressive pace of Federal Reserve interest rates hikes. Oil prices were stable in choppy trading, but remained on course for a second weekly fall after countries announced plans to release crude from their strategic stocks. The last session saw the dollar rise 0.3% against the yen. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin rose 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session. The CCI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the oil gain 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The UK's manufacturing production will be released at 600 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT. The UK's industrial production at 600 hours GMT. The US 3-year note auction will be released at 1700 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 600 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.